Do you know this symbol in the cockpit? The car was beeping before I started recording. There it is again, showing up. The inside lights are on. Yeah, this is the start of lesson number 45 and 46. And we are transferring an Indian license to a German license, and we need to see the examiner in some weeks. And this is still on. And he's ignoring it, and he just wanted to drive on the road with this information.
Stop, please. I have a question about your cockpit.
Cockpit? Yeah.
How is the fuel level? How much fuel do we have?
63.6.
Is it full or half or three quarter or a quarter? Where do you see the scale of the fuel? The level?
Level 0.8, I don't know, maybe.
What's the driving mode right now?
D,
Where do you see this?
it's there.
And what's over the D symbol?
It not closed.
Where's the fuel level?
Fuel level is, it's here.
Yes! And it was not visible because of the not properly closed door.
Okay.
Okay, let's
Thank
go.
you.